Good morning, every day. It's Marcia, Kansas Misfit, and I wanted you to see people working on getting 23 pieces of lumber trees, walnut trees, out of the piles of trees back there. It's sprinkling, and it's a little bit breezy, and I just watch from a distance. I don't want to be in the way. They're bulldozing through all those weeds so they can get through. I don't even think I can scroll in. Oh, good, I can. Oops. In. There we go. I don't know if you can see me. Maybe I have to get back on the porch for you to be able to see. Oh, you can see a little bit there. I'm up on top of the hill here. Sorry about the jarring, because I'm holding my phone in my hand, trying to be as steady as I can. Like I said, it's sprinkling. I feel bad because they have to drive through all that weeds, and they're probably sitting there, you know. But my daughter's supposed to be coming over as I speak to feed her chickens if the road's not blocked for her to get through. Wow. They got a lot of work to do. I don't know if they're going to get it done all in one day or not. Because 23 logs, and they're not beside each other either. I sure hope they don't think they're going to bulldoze them out, because my husband won't allow that. Because this is a floodway. And we don't want it to get worse around here, so they had to better use the chainsaws and cut them down. We'll see how it goes. We do have a couple piles of mulch that the tree trimmers in town brought in. That's out there someplace. Probably a big hill. Don't know if it's turned to dirt or what, but they're out there. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I decided to use two hands to see if I can't steady my phone a little bit. I have it on a tripod, but still, tripod's only like 4 inches tall. I need to invest a little bit into my paraphernalia. But this is what I have and what I'm using until I get some money coming in, which may be a while. I don't think I'm going to video them actually cutting the trees down, just clearing the way. Unless I do a different video with them cutting the trees. If there's poison ivy, I won't be going out there. There's some big tires on that tractor, on that bulldozer. They look like they're like 2.5, 3 foot thick. Let me move over here so we can see. I see some headlights over there. I don't know if that's my daughter or not. Guess we'll see what happens. There's only like about maybe 1,000, 2,000 feet left. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Here I am, jarring the camera around. I need to get one of those tall tripods. That'd be nice. Look at those wide tires. Wow. Maybe that's 2 tires beside each other, like a dual. That's probably what it is. Some trees are in the way. There's a beautiful cherry tree right there. We had a lot of cherries this year off of it. I know I need to prune it, but I don't know how. Do you know how to prune trees? Comment below. Maybe somebody can post a video on how to prune trees, fruit trees. I'd appreciate it. So we can take care of our trees better, get more fruit. Can't see through the cherry tree. He'll get through there in a little bit. guess they didn't know what all they had to go through just to get their lumber. A memory day they'll never forget, just like me, because I have mine on video. Use the tree. Let's get around it. Go around the chicken coop and see what you can see on the other side. If we can even see. There it is. See it through the Johnson grass? That's what they're knocking down, Johnson grass and little trees that's out there. Maybe 500 feet more and they'll have it to the tree line, I'm guessing. My chickens are hungry. Can you hear them in the background? A couple years ago, my brother-in-law came from Topeka, Kansas. He had a new truck, not for sure, I think it was a truck. and was doing donuts in that field. One time we planted a whole bunch of garden in that field. It was way too much. I could barely keep up with what we have here, and it's lots of weeds. But we got what we got, and we did get pretty good amount of some things, especially squash. I planted the whole field, one length from one side to the other, with squash, different kinds of squash, and put them like 3 inches apart, and it was so thick, and I never did keep the weeds out. We had so many. He's over here. We had so many. What do you call it? We had so many plants. It didn't matter how many weeds, because we still had plenty of squash. Anyway, I guess they got it cleared out enough where they can get into where the trees are at, because they turned their engine off and they're back there someplace. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait a minute, I guess they're coming back up to do some more. I don't know, we'll see. There it is. Yep. I guess the roosters are getting nervous, because I know they didn't just wake up. Just about to the tree line. Yay! He's probably thinking, it's about time I made it through this jungle. I guess they had to work to get their lumber. Yep, he made it to the tree line. They should be able to get in there and get their trees and pull them out and line them up and load them up on the semi and take them home. Well, go back on top of the hill so you can see better. Well, wish my husband was here to see this. I guess he can watch the video with you guys, right? He was trying his hardest to get back home and so he can see and be here. Maybe he'll show up before they're done. My daughter just got here. Well, if you enjoyed the content, please smash the like button, leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Ta-ta.